Are you ready to step inside a workshop where every cut is straighter, every joint is tighter, and every mistake is almost impossible to make? On AU Techverse, we are breaking down 30 genius new Kreg woodworking tools that are reshaping how woodworkers build in 2026. Every product you see in this video is linked in the description, so if something catches your attention, you can check it instantly. Watch closely, because these tools don't just upgrade your workshop, they change the way you work. Kreg Tool Pocket Hole Jig. In woodworking, strong joints decide whether a project lasts for years or falls apart over time. The Kreg Pocket Hole Jig is designed to create accurate pocket holes with guided drilling and secure clamping. It works with different material thicknesses and helps ensure consistent alignment during assembly. In real workshop use, it simplifies cabinet and furniture building by reducing measuring errors and speeding up joint preparation. It's a foundational tool for anyone aiming for clean and reliable wood joinery. Kreg Pocket Hole Jig Micro. When working with thin wood or delicate materials, standard jigs can feel too aggressive. The Kreg Pocket Hole Jig Micro is designed for smaller, more precise joints in thin stock. It creates compact pocket holes that still maintain strong holding power for light-duty applications. The anti-slip drill guide helps keep positioning stable during use. In practical woodworking, it is ideal for small repairs, drawers, and lightweight furniture where precision matters more than strength. Kreg MKJKIT Mini Jig Kit. Not every woodworking task needs a full-size setup. The Kreg Mini Jig Kit is designed for quick, simple pocket hole drilling in compact spaces. It features hardened drill guides that help maintain accuracy while working on small projects or tight areas. The fence-free design makes positioning flexible across different materials. In real workshop situations, it is useful for fast repairs or small builds where setting up larger tools would slow down the workflow. Kreg Rebel 20V Ionic Drive Pocket Hole Joiner Kit. Speed and portability matter when working on site or building furniture quickly. The Kreg Rebel 20V Pocket Hole Joiner Kit is a cordless system designed to create pocket holes without clamping in traditional setups. It runs on a 20V battery platform and delivers consistent drilling depth for repeatable joints. In practical use, it helps woodworkers complete assembly tasks faster, especially in mobile or outdoor projects where power access is limited. Kreg Dowel Jig Kit. When alignment in woodworking is slightly off, even strong glue joints can fail over time. The Kreg Dowel Jig Kit is designed to help create accurate dowel joints using a guided drilling system. It ensures both holes line up precisely so parts fit together cleanly during assembly. The alignment features help maintain repeatable accuracy across multiple joints. In real workshop use, it is commonly used for furniture and cabinet builds where hidden, strong connections are required without visible fasteners. Kreg MortiseMate Loose Tenon Jig. Traditional mortise and tenon joinery usually requires heavy machinery and skill, which slows down production. The Kreg MortiseMate Loose Tenon Jig simplifies this process by allowing mortises to be cut using a handheld drill setup. It uses guided indexing steps to control depth and positioning for consistent results. In practical woodworking, it helps create strong structural joints for tables, chairs, and frames without needing complex machinery. It brings traditional joinery into a more accessible workshop workflow. Kreg Ripcut Circular Saw. Straight cuts are one of the biggest challenges when working with large sheets of plywood. The Kreg Ripcut Circular Saw Guide System turns a standard circular saw into a guided cutting tool. It uses an adjustable edge guide that helps maintain straight, repeatable cuts across sheet material. In real workshop use, it improves accuracy when breaking down plywood for cabinets or furniture builds. It reduces measuring errors and helps achieve cleaner results with less effort. Kreg Adaptive Cutting System Plunge Saw. Precision cutting often requires more control than a standard circular saw can offer. The Kreg Adaptive Cutting System Plunge Saw is designed for guided track cutting with adjustable depth control. It allows clean plunge cuts and straight line cutting on sheet materials with reduced tear out. In woodworking projects, it is commonly used for cabinetry and panel work where accuracy is critical. It helps maintain consistency while improving cutting safety and control. Kreg Portable Crosscut. Cross-cutting boards accurately without a full miter saw setup can be challenging on job sites. The Kreg Portable Crosscut is designed to guide a circular saw for straight and angled cuts using a stable alignment system. It supports consistent 90-degree and 45-degree cuts with built-in guides for accuracy. In real woodworking, it is useful for trimming boards, framing, and on-site adjustments where portability matters. It helps maintain clean cuts without requiring large stationary equipment. Kreg Flush Trim Bit 1-inch Shank. Template routing requires precision to match one piece exactly to another. The Kreg Flush Trim Bit is designed with a carbide cutting edge and a guide bearing that follows templates smoothly. It helps trim excess material flush for clean edges in woodworking projects. In practical use, it is commonly used for cabinetry and furniture shaping where identical profiles are needed. It ensures consistent results when working with routed patterns or edge duplication tasks. Kreg Trim Router Accessories. Small routing tasks often become difficult without proper control and guidance. The Kreg Trim Router Accessory System adds stability and precision to compact routers using guides, bases, and attachments. These components help improve control during edge trimming, shaping, and detailing work. In real workshop conditions, it supports smoother routing on cabinets, doors, and decorative edges. It is designed to increase accuracy and reduce errors during handheld routing operations. Kreg PRS 1000 Corner Routing Guide Set. Creating smooth corners and consistent profiles requires controlled routing paths. The Kreg Corner Routing Guide Set provides adjustable templates for shaping rounded and chamfered edges. It helps guide routers along fixed paths to maintain uniform results across multiple pieces. In woodworking projects, it is used for finishing furniture edges and cabinet detailing. It improves repeatability and reduces uneven cuts when working on decorative or functional corner profiles. Kreg Concealed Hinge Jig. Installing cabinet doors by eye often leads to misalignment and uneven gaps that show immediately in finished work. The Kreg Concealed Hinge Jig is designed to accurately position and drill 35 mm cup holes for European-style hinges. It includes built-in guides to control depth and spacing so hinges sit correctly every time. In real cabinet installation work, it helps ensure doors align smoothly, close properly, and maintain consistent gaps across the entire project. Kreg Door Hinge Routing Jig. Routing hinge mortises by hand can easily result in uneven depth or chipped edges. The Kreg Door Hinge Routing Jig provides a guided system for cutting clean hinge recesses with a router. It includes adjustable stops that help position hinges accurately on different door sizes. In practical woodworking, it is commonly used for door installation and replacement work, ensuring hinges sit flush and aligned for smooth door operation and long-term durability. Kreg Cabinet Hardware Jig Pro. Drilling cabinet handles and pulls without a guide often leads to uneven spacing and visible mistakes. The Kreg Cabinet Hardware Jig Pro is designed with adjustable templates that help position knobs and pulls consistently across drawers and doors. It supports a wide range of hardware sizes and includes built-in stops for repeatable accuracy. In real workshop use, it speeds up cabinet installation while ensuring clean, professional alignment on every piece. Kreg Cabinet Hardware Jig. For smaller cabinet projects, precise drilling still matters even without complex setups. The standard Kreg Cabinet Hardware Jig provides a portable guide system for aligning hardware holes accurately. It allows consistent spacing for knobs and pulls without repeated measuring. In practical use, it is ideal for quick cabinet upgrades, repairs, or DIY furniture builds where speed and accuracy need to work together without complicated setup time. Kreg KHI-CDIJ Cabinet Door Mounting Jig. Installing cabinet doors alone often becomes frustrating because alignment shifts while you try to hold everything in place. The Kreg Cabinet Door Mounting Jig is designed to support and position doors during hinge installation. It includes adjustable positioning features that help maintain consistent alignment while securing hardware. In real cabinet work, it reduces the need for a second person and helps achieve straight, evenly spaced doors with proper hinge placement every time. Kreg Drawer Front Mounting System. Getting drawer fronts perfectly centered is one of the most time-consuming parts of cabinet building. The Kreg Drawer Front Mounting System is designed to simplify this process using alignment clamps and adjustable guides. It helps position drawer faces evenly before fastening them in place. In practical woodworking, it reduces measurement errors and ensures consistent gaps between drawers, resulting in a clean and professional cabinet finish across the entire project. Kreg KHCCC 90-degree corner clamp. Holding two pieces of wood at a perfect right angle is difficult without movement during fastening. The Kreg 90-degree corner clamp is designed to lock materials securely at a fixed 90-degree position. It supports T-joints and corner joints while allowing screws to be driven without shifting alignment. In real workshop use, it is essential for building frames, boxes, and cabinets where precise corners define the quality of the final structure. Kreg panel carrier. Moving large plywood sheets alone can be awkward and physically demanding. The Kreg panel carrier is designed to provide a secure grip for carrying sheet materials safely. It clamps onto panels and distributes weight for better balance during transport. In woodworking environments, it helps reduce strain while moving full-size boards like plywood or MDF, making material handling safer, faster, and more controlled on job sites. Kreg KWS 500 Track Horse Tool. Large cutting and assembly jobs often require a stable support system that can handle heavy loads without wobbling. The Kreg Track Horse tool is designed as a portable work support that functions like a sawhorse and clamping station. It provides a strong, level surface for cutting sheet goods or assembling projects. In real workshop use, it helps woodworkers set up a stable workspace quickly on job sites while maintaining strength and portability for heavy-duty tasks. Kreg Portable Work Surface Bundle. A flat and stable work area is essential when accuracy matters in woodworking. The Kreg Portable Work Surface Bundle provides a compact workstation with a smooth top and integrated clamping capability. It supports material holding using dog holes and clamp systems for better control during assembly. In practical use, it is ideal for mobile woodworking setups where professionals need a reliable surface for cutting, drilling, or gluing projects away from a full workshop. Kreg Hardwood Bench Top. A weak or uneven workbench can affect every cut, joint, and assembly step. The Kreg Hardwood Bench Top is designed as a solid, durable surface with pre-drilled dog holes for clamping flexibility. It provides a stable platform for woodworking tasks like cutting, sanding, and assembly. In real workshop conditions, it improves precision by reducing movement during work and offers a long-lasting surface for repeated heavy use in professional or DIY environments. Kreg Zinc Pocket Hole Screws. Strong woodworking joints depend not only on tools, but also on the right fasteners. Kreg Zinc pocket hole screws are designed specifically for pocket hole joinery, providing consistent thread engagement and secure holding power. They are available in different sizes for softwood and plywood applications. In real woodworking projects, they help create strong, reliable joints in cabinets, furniture, and frames while reducing splitting and improving overall structural stability. Kreg KDRV-FLIP Quick Flip Bit. Switching between drilling and driving in woodworking often slows down repetitive assembly work. The Kreg Quick Flip Bit is designed with a dual-ended system. One side drills a pilot hole with countersink, and the other side drives screws using a square drive. This reduces tool changes during pocket hole assembly. In real workshop use, it speeds up cabinet and furniture building by allowing continuous drilling and fastening without interrupting workflow. Kreg Drill Guide Pro. Drilling straight and angled holes accurately without a drill press can be challenging in custom woodworking. The Kreg Drill Guide Pro provides a self-centering guide system with adjustable angles for controlled drilling. It helps maintain consistent depth and alignment across different materials. In practical use, it is ideal for furniture repairs, joinery, and installation tasks where precision drilling is required in both workshop and on-site environments. Kreg 20V Ionic Drive Barrel Grip Jigsaw. Cutting curves and detailed shapes require stability and control during operation. The Kreg 20V Ionic Drive Barrel Grip Jigsaw is designed with a barrel-style grip that keeps the user closer to the cutting line for better accuracy. It features variable speed control and adjustable bevel cutting for different materials. In real woodworking, it is used for shaping panels, cutting curves, and making precise cuts in cabinetry and furniture projects. Kreg Trim Router Accessories. Detailed edge work and routing tasks require better control than a standard handheld router setup. The Kreg Trim Router Accessories System provides base plates, guides, and attachments to improve stability during routing. It helps maintain consistent movement while shaping edges or cutting patterns. In practical woodworking, it is used for trimming, inlay work, and edge finishing where smooth and controlled routing is essential for professional results. Kreg Flush Trim Bit System. When working with templates or duplicate parts, even a small mismatch can ruin the final finish. The Kreg Flush Trim Bit System is designed with a carbide cutting edge and guide bearing that follows a template precisely. It trims excess material flush to create identical edges and shapes across multiple pieces. In real woodworking, it is commonly used for cabinetry, furniture parts, and pattern work where consistent duplication and clean finishing are required. Kreg Dust Separator. Woodworking dust can quickly clog vacuums and reduce suction efficiency during long workshop sessions. The Kreg Dust Separator is designed to capture dust and debris before it reaches the vacuum system. It works by separating heavier particles into a collection container, helping maintain airflow and reducing filter clogging. In practical use, it keeps the workspace cleaner, extends vacuum life, and improves overall dust management during cutting, sanding, and routing operations. If you found this breakdown helpful, all tools are linked in the description so you can explore them further. Drop a comment and tell us which Kreg tool you would add to your workshop first. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay connected with AU Techverse, where we bring you real-world tool breakdowns that help you build smarter, faster, and more professionally every time you step into your workshop.